everybody, this is our daily agenda for Monday, May 24th. For today, we are moving on to some new stuff. We are doing an SEL choice board. So you guys are going to have a choice on what activity you guys would like to do this week. It's located in Google Classroom. The directions are actually on each slide. It's going to be due on Sunday, okay? You only have to make sure you get this done and any missing work. So let's look at the choice board. So for this week, you guys are going to get to choose one of the following activities. So you can choose activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, activity 4. Whatever activity you would like to do, that is the activity that you will be completing for today. And I'm going to go over each one so that if you guys need additional directions, I'm right here for you guys. So once you have selected which one you would like, highlight it. If you really want to do activity 1, highlight it. Make it nice and yellow, you know? Like, let me know what activity you chose. Then, if you chose activity 1, you're going to go to slide 2. If you chose activity 3 or 4, you're going to obviously go to the next couple of slides. So let's start with activity 1. Activity 1 is called Inner Strength. So I really want to know what your inner strengths are, ladies and gentlemen. I have it kind of here in the description. You guys are going to draw or upload a picture of yourself, and you're going to write at least 5 strengths and how you've demonstrated these strengths. So you can put, hello, my name is blank, and what are your top 5 strengths? Just named off the top of your head. What are you really good at? What do you know you're good at, ladies and gentlemen? And we've talked a lot about this. You're going to put a picture of yourself right here, and then you're going to explain how you have demonstrated your strength 1, your strength 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you're just going to write full and complete sentences on how you've shown your strength, okay? So you have demonstrated your strength by blank. Let's say one strength that I have is I'm really good at making materials for you guys. So I demonstrated that because every day I make sure I have materials for you guys ready to roll, okay? What are you guys really good at? And how do these strengths help you become a better scholar? Even if you guys don't think that this applies to school, having a strength, it most likely does. If you're determined, if you're energetic, if you're willing, if you put in a lot of effort, all of these help you become better scholars, ladies and gentlemen. So that's one option. Second option is called mindful listening. The recording's not quite up yet, but you're going to listen to a recording. You're going to follow the directions and see if you can create the following image. So you're going to get to draw. You may draw on paper or online if you would like. So you may take out a piece of paper and start drawing once you click the video to start. Make sure to upload your picture right here on this right side and complete the reflection, which is right here as well. Your questions are, were you able to create the image in the video? Why or why not? Yes or no, but a complete sentence. Like that. Was it difficult to understand some of the directions? How may it be difficult to follow directions in other situations? What is mindful listening? And I'll talk a little bit about that in the video. And how can you apply mindful listening to become a better scholar? Your activity 3, passing kindness on. You're going to actually make a comic strip, so you can make it by hand, or you can find pictures online to kind of fit the comic strip, about a time that you or somebody around you showed you great kindness. So maybe a couple weeks ago we did our letters of gratitude. One thing that I was really thankful for was that my mom always liked to walk my dog. That is a kindness she showed me, so I could maybe have a couple of pictures, maybe not 4, but enough pictures to show that. You need to have multiple pictures. It can be drawn online or by hand, and you have to actually type your story about the incident so that I know. And then last one, level up your skills. You guys are going to create a short video showing your favorite skills or hobbies, such as cooking, writing, skating, etc. This can be a minute long at most, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want 10 minutes of you guys skating or 10 minutes of you gaming on Valorant. I don't need to see that. Just give me a minute. Let me see what your favorite hobby is. In the reflection page right here, write about what you want to improve or what steps you can make to improve. So what's your favorite hobby or skill? What do you enjoy about the skill? So if you enjoy cooking, what about cooking do you really like? What would you want to improve on? Do you want to learn a new recipe? Do you want to learn a new combo move? Do you want to learn how to read faster? What do you want to improve? What are some steps you can take? So not just what do you want to improve. Now what can you actually do to improve that? Can you practice twice a week? Can you help your mom and dad cook dinner? What can you do? And how does knowing this skill improve you and your mindset as a scholar? So it might be weird to say, Mr. Nellis, I don't think my skills by skating can really help me as a scholar. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that time, that focus, that energy that you put towards that skill is what makes you a better scholar. So write about that, okay? And this is where you're going to insert your video for this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to wrap up for today and really for Wednesday as well. I'll go over it again on Wednesday, so that way you guys have those directions. As always, if you have any questions, need anything from me or Mrs. Arroyo, please reach out and we'll help you guys out. Other than that, I will see you guys in class.